What's up, everyone? This time I want to present a new and very unique project called PFarm. PFarm is an online game DeFi ecosystem that blends cash investment with profitable in-game activities to create a profitable in-game ecology. PFarm began on the Tron blockchain but has since moved to Binance Smart Chain to grow its ecosystem. In the P-Firm gaming ecosystem, the P token acts as a base currency that is traded and used primarily in all gaming and investing activities and applications. Here, especially P performs the following main functions. The first one is payment and use on P-Firm platform. P token is used in the ecosystem to pay for items, seeds, or upgrade production machinery and equipment to increase productivity and profit for the firm. Sell items harvested from the crop in exchange for P tokens, and use as a liquidity method for the occasion feature. The next function is P governance. Owning P tokens means you have the right to vote on important ecosystem work. The more token you hold, the more vote you get. The P token is also the base coin to create many other child tokens in the P firm ecosystem. And their upcoming function is staking and farming. Profitable investment from stacking and joint nodes that provide liquidity of the liquidity pool of the protocol required to the use of the platform currency. The P token is the base cryptocurrency that helps you generate profit from these financial investment instruments. And virtual land. P tokens are used to buy ownership of valuable virtual lands and are used to invest in farm expansion. You can also exercise your right to transfer your property to someone else. All of this is clearly expressed on the smart contract. The next one is Foundation. The project's P Foundation was established to support and provide operational cost for the development project. This is an important step that demonstrates the vision and certainty of the P firm team. Therefore, the P token plays a fundamental role in creating liquidity and anchoring long-term value for the P firm community to thrive. Now, it's time to talk about P firm NFT. Among the NFT applications that have emerged in cryptocurrency industry today, PFirm can be said to be the most popular and effective blockchain game application. In addition to the entertainment and creative elements in the game, the PFirm ecosystem is also golden egg for people to invest financially while creating a lot of attractive profits from staking and farming other online. The strategy and direction of the PFirm team is quite smart and sure when launched platform products before the token sale. This clearly shows that this is a potential project and is quite reliable for an investment option. PFirm deserve a potential ecosystem that you should consider in your portfolio. Finally, I wanna say that become a successful investor after investing in this great project. Thank you and have a nice day.